Hi everyone, welcome back to Talk the Anonymous. On today's segment, we will be demonstrating a real cool build. We will be installing a brand new Lyman TacStar Takedown 1022 stock kit. Ben will also chime in most of the time to handle all of the assembly involved here.
Hi folks, I'm glad y'all tuned in. Hope this build helps in any way. I'll go ahead and let you label the spread out here real quick, sweetheart.
Yeah, let's start off with the 1022 takedown assembly. You should have your barrel portion and receiver section with the trigger guard attached. If you would like a demonstration showing how we took the components out of its original stock, please feel free to check out our unboxing and field strip video regarding this rifle. The original takedown screws, I have mine resting in their intended slots. The MOE RVG foregrip, a blue dot optics by NC Star.
Oh, I actually have a video regarding that optics coming out pretty soon. Lots of cool features on this hardware, including 4 different dots and crosses. Go ahead, honey, sorry about that.
No problem. Only thing I had left is this cute Muddy Girl pattern Lyman's TacStar RM4 takedown stock kit. Has a lot of features I like. Plus, it was a pretty sweet Mother's Day gift.
Oh man, glad you liked it, baby. Wait till you test it out at the range. Had a great time shooting it myself.
Sure looks like a lot of fun. Go ahead and show them the first step towards assembling this project.
No problem. First thing, let's go ahead and work on the barrel section of the build. Should be a tight, secure fit, so you may have to use a little force to insert the barrel. Once in place, grab your takedown screw and twist it in to secure the base. Once that is torqued down, grab your barrel bracket and 4 corresponding tiny screws. Snap onto the front barrel section and tighten them down one by one in a cross rotation. Not too tight though. Next, this nifty little piece here. It has 2 sides, one with a Picatinny rail and the other has a flush, same pattern finish. My gal wants a grip on her build, so we'll be using the Picatinny side. Gonna go ahead and tighten down this piece with the screws it came with. Cool, ready to attach the MOE grip. This has to be one of my favorite foregrips I've came across so far. Just feels perfect and very durable. If you would like some details on this grip, feel free to check out my unboxing video regarding this item. Done with this section. Looks like a little space gun that fires lasers. Let's set this aside and work on the receiver section of the RM4 build. Okay, so have to make sure the trigger guard and receiver are well put together and have your safety in the middle position. You don't want to damage the safety pin when installing. It actually took me a few tries due to the safety pin getting pushed out of its center position. There's also a recommended angle to insert the receiver. That's what I'm doing right now. There, got that in place. Next, secure the hardware to the stock with its original takedown screw.
Go ahead and explain what you did wrong here, honey.
Oh man, so at this point, I start to realize one crazy hiccup. I got the takedown screws mixed up.
Yep, so always remember to keep your items organized to avoid these minor mistakes.
Oh yeah, for sure. Once this step is done, check to make sure the bolt and trigger functions properly. Up next, let's place this neat quick detach blue dot optics by NC Star. I'm really impressed by this budget optics. Works great. Alright, let me go ahead and show y'all how the dot looks turned on. It was very easy to zero in at 50 yards, had no problem so far with this optics. Now to test out the assembly's connection. If you end up having trouble like me, try adjusting the dials. It may be rotated too far. There, that did the trick. Easy to snap on and off now. Everything looks to be functioning properly and all done, Myra.
Thanks, looks great. Hope you guys enjoyed this demonstration. Hope it helps in any way. If you have any questions regarding the items you see here, feel free to ask in the comment section below. For sure, we will get into more detail on the features labeled here after a little more range time with the rifle. Until then, have a great day, and as always, safe shooting.